Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you how I make this Ghana tea bread recipe, one of my favorite bread, and trust me, after watching this video you are going to make this bread your favorite bread as well. So all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy. If you are new here, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Now, without wasting my time, let's dive right in. I will start by activating my yeast. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my sugar, active dried yeast. I'll stir everything together and I'll go in with some lukewarm water. I'll stir everything very well. I'll cover and allow it to prove for about 10 minutes. Alright, so whilst we're waiting patiently for the yeast to activate, let's go ahead and mix our ingredients. So we're going to be needing some all-purpose flour. I'm using 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, I'll go in with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of nutmeg as well. I will stir everything together beautifully, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And whilst that is done, I'll go in with my vanilla essence. For the essence, I'm using half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Next, I'll go in with some 1/4 cup of melted butter, and the yeast is now ready, so I'll go in with the yeast as well. Moving forward, I'm going to use my spatula to stir everything together until it begins to form a dough. And whilst that is going on, we also want to go in with the water little by little until we get the perfect dough that we're looking for. So whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after getting the perfect and nice dough, just the way you see it on your screens right now, I'm going to knead it very well on my working surface, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And I'll be using my hands to do this. You can use your machine mixer if that is what you have or you want, okay? So now let's knead this for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and very soft and very stretchy. While that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't done that yet, babe, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after kneading the dough for about 10 minutes now, just look at how soft and stretchy it looks right now. So as you can see, it looks all good and just perfect. So moving forward, I'm going to place this in a bowl. And don't forget as well to brush some oil in your bowl to prevent it from sticking to the bottom, okay? So whilst that is done, I'll place in my dough. I'll cover it and allow it to proof or rest for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I am back and the dough has doubled in size very well, and it looks very soft and perfect. So now before we roll out this dough, we're going to make sure we dust our baking pan as well, and make sure to dust it with flour very well, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And whilst that is done, I'll set it aside. So moving forward, we're going to roll out the dough using a rolling pin. You can also use your hands to do this, okay? And so I'm going to divide this dough into 2 equal parts as well. You can also measure this if you want to sell it, but we are just going to enjoy this at home, so no need for that, okay? So now let's use our rolling pin to roll out the dough very well, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And whilst that is done, we're going to flip the dough to each other or fold the dough just the way you see it on your screens right now. Make sure to seal it very well, okay? If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after getting the perfect tea bread shapes, I'm going to dust the bread or the dough with flour again. Yes, with tea bread, this is how we do it. So afterwards, I'm going to cover it with a clean napkin and allow it to proof for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I will dust it again. And I covered it again for extra 10 minutes, but unfortunately I lost the clips. It's really doubled in size very well, but all the same, let's bake it under 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, and ta-da! This is how the bread turned out. It turned out really good and just perfect. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this bread recipe. It turned out so perfect, and I hope you're going to try this bread at home. This is one of the bread that we do enjoy mostly with tea or beverage in Ghana right here. And one thing I love about this bread is that I love it very hot with margarine, and trust me, it is so amazing. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you love to pair with this Ghana tea bread, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comment down below as well. Now see how the inside looks very soft and the outside looks a little bit hard or crispy. That is how it's supposed to be, yes. And I tell you, you'll love this tea bread recipe. Kindly try and thank me later. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to the channel, also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.